Yeah. He's here. Okay. Point.
One way. Circle back behind you. Hey.
Right to the fire pit.
Hey.
He's here.
He's right here.
Oh.
That bird's there. Huh? I'm in line with the tower, so. Yeah. I ain't seen that over there, so.
Yeah.
Line of them. Whether that's the bird he spotted, I don't know.
Right.
That one definitely didn't hold tight.
Fun one. 2 dogs.
Well, we can pick that rooster up and just want to walk back.
Yeah.
He's hit right there at that drum.
Yeah.
Find a bird.
Yeah, it's fine. Hey. What are you thinking?
Well, he said he didn't put none past the front of the woods.
Oh, I guarantee you I think he'd met in the woods or something, because I don't think
Because
he's got
so the last time I hunted this field, it was all the way down. So
Ace,
Yeah, but I thought he said he didn't put nothing past the front of the woods because it stinks about.
that don't make sense though. I mean, we can
his
hit this.
field, because that field.
I don't. We
I'm
can
just
hit the
saying.
front. Trigger.
He's off over here.
Yeah. Well,
You want to hunt that, then we'll
well,
come
that's
back.
fine. Let's go. We just gotta go, right? You have time to. He's saying what he said. Yeah. Well, that guy, he's side by side, he's out here in the middle. Hey. William, just stay right there for a minute.
which way do you want to go back? Straight back or across?
Better not walking into the wind, ain't
Yeah, for this front section, I guess we'll pick up that one roof at the ditch, and we'll circle around, hit that far side, have to hit this middle. All right, Liam. Whoa. 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 Oh, asshole. Whoa. 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 It's gonna be your shot, Cole.
Yep.
Whoa. 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 It ain't here.
No.
We're on it.
Okay. All right.
Maybe. Oh.
Got it. All right.
Trap bird.
Count it.
That makes up for one of them bad shots.
Count it.
Okay.
Oh.
Too bad I didn't do that with yours. Here.
Oh fuck! I got no shells.
Damn.
Right to him.
Fuck. Here. Here.
Come on, hup.
Here. Here. Here.
Fuck.
Here.
Going into that wind makes it different.
Yeah. Whoa. Hey, walk over, get that rooster. That's two. One rooster, one head. Match it up.
I don't know where that.
You draw over there.
I don't know where this guy went over here.
There's one coming back in. Coming right to us. See it? Dad.
Watch! Hey! Watch!
Hold on. Whoa. There. Here. Maybe one's gonna be smarter around one time. Yeah. Here.
I don't know where this rooster went.
Hey. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Fuck.
Whoa, here.
That rooster?
Here. Here. Hey, Trigger, here. No, it's over here somewhere.
Yeah. Here, you want to jam that in mine?
Here. Hey. Ace. Ace, here. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, good.
The rooster.
Cool.
Here. Come on, so what do we got?
I got
I got a hand.
a hen and a rooster.
You got a hen and a rooster?
Well, this rooster.
Here.
I'm counting this rooster. Jam that one in there too.
And then I got what? A hen and a rooster?
You got hen and just a hen.
Just a hen?
Just a hen. Yep.
So we got 3 hens?
3 hens, 1 rooster. Yes.
All right, then we got that rooster in front
Yep.
of you guys. 3 hens, 1 rooster. And our white bird's a hen, ain't it?
Rooster. Yeah.
Okay. spectators over here, so you gotta watch our shot.
Yeah.
Down right in here.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's off here.
Hey, get up. Hey, whoa, easy. Get up there, Colton.
Got it.
Watch it.
There he is.
Good shot. Good shot. So,
Watch it.
2 roosters. That's 2 roosters.
Is that 2?
Yeah.
I just folded that one.
Yep.
Trigger here. Back. Trigger, back. Back. You might not fetch the roof. You might not fetch pheasants. Here. Hey. How many you got? I got 1 hen.
I got 1 rooster, 1 hen.
So we got 2 and 3. Trigger. So 2 roosters, 3 hens.
Yep.
Here.
So we only get 30 minutes, right?
No, get out. You want to circle back, go back, circle up, and come back into the wind?
Nah.
But it's going to screw us because they're all out here watching. In the way. Luckily your dad's over there, otherwise I'd be fucking hollering. So get the fuck out of the way. Here! Hey, Trigger!
Back here.
Huh? You got a dog over there? Trigger, Ace! Trigger! 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 Here!
Did you get that? Did we get that rooster?
Yeah. I
So
got
we're
2.
3 and 2.
Yep.
3 hens,
2 roosters.
2 roosters.
You want me to go all the way to that?
Just-
blind backside?
Just come in a little bit. He can walk the pathway.
Walk this way.
Huh?
Walk right up the trail, basically what it does. We'll put it
And then we'll come back. Hey!
Hit that trail.
Hey!
I'm going to do it the other side.
Trigger! Hey, he's here. Here. Trigger. Liam, you're going far?
Back
Trigger.
up.
Trigger, here. We're not socializing. Come here. You're right there, Liam. Just come up there. I don't see dogs.
They're both right here in front of Liam.
Here. Here.
Point.
Hey, watch Ace. Colt, you gotta watch the other dog.
Yeah.
South.
Hey!
Stop over here.
Yeah, chop.
Don't hurt.
Trigger. Trigger.
Here. Here.
Come on, Ace. Here. Come on, Ace. Here.
Bird. Come on.
Whoa.
Point.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
can you tell the difference between a rooster and a hen?
I can't see a tail.
It's a white one.
And just,
There, grab it. Is that a rooster or a hen? Whoa.
this is a hen.
Huh?
That's a hen. What the fuck?
That's all right, count it. That's what he said.
So count it towards a hen?
Yep.
So we still need to find our white rooster then.
We'll chill off. Whoa, trigger!
So 4 hens, right? 4 hens, 2
Trigger.
roosters, I think.
Alright. Hey, he's up there.
Liam, come up.
Yeah, I know. Trigger!
He's birdie here. Good shot, good shot.
Oh, it's running.
No, yeah, there you go.
Hey, it's here. Hey, it's here. 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 What's that got?
That's three roosters, 4 hens.
Huh?
3 rooster, 4 hen.
3 and 4?
I got 1 and 1, so.
You got 1 rooster, 1 hen?
I'm 1 and 1 too.
And then I got 2 hens. Here, trigger!
Here.
Right?
Here.
Trigger, here! You got 2 hens? Yep. 1 hen? Yep. Trigger! And then I got, whoa! Then I got 2 hens. Wait, we can't shoot 1 more. There's gotta be a, oh, we got a white rooster, don't we? Well, it's old feathers. There's feathers here. So you think we go down in this, or go back up?
Go up there a little bit to the edge of the woods.
Here, trigger. We're looking for a white rooster. What? 1 more hen?
1 more hen, 1 white rooster, yeah.
And a couple more roosters.
Couple more roosters after that, yep.
Yeah, I would like to push this back,
Yeah.
push grass down,
Trigger.
stick in there.
Yeah.
3 roosters, right?
I don't.
So we're looking for 1 and 1, because I got 2 roosters.
You got 2 roosters. I got and 1 hen. So you got 2 roosters, 1 hen. I got 2 hens. So that's 3 hens to 2 roosters.
And I got 1 rooster, 1 hen.
So 4 hens and
3 roosters.
3 roosters.
Yep.
And Liam's over there with nothing.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm here for the time.
Come on, trigger. Come on, let's go. Trigger, come on. Trigger, hey.
What?
And go off that edge.
How do you want to go?
Oh, we should probably hold that edge.
Okay.
Here. Come on, here. Here. Come on, trigger, here. Here. Hey. All right, Liam, get to the edge.
out there.
Huh?
There's a rooster in this grass field.
Where?
Right there. Plucking along on the bottom. Out there.
Yeah, that's somebody else's property though.
Yeah.
Come on.
Here.
You got trigger? Trigger!
I think they're back here.
They're both there.
Come
Yeah.
on, let's go. Come on.
All right.
Quit. Hey! I think they're on something, right there. One might be.
Ellie's the one right here.
Yeah. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Oh, he might have been peeing. Here. Come on.
Come on, Hank. Yeah. Come on, here. Let's go. This way. Trigger.
Three roosters we need.
One's gotta be white. Yeah, one hen left and 3 roosters. The one's gotta be white.
Two roosters, right? Yeah, two roosters.
Okay. 2 roosters, 1 hen.
Yep. And a white one.
That's why I need a woman on the team. They keep track of all that shit.
I know. Fuck. One hen, 2 roosters. One hen, 2 rooster. One hen, 2 rooster. White rooster. What?
Back this way.
Yeah. Yeah, they're coming.
Dog in the switch grass.
I'll walk it. I don't care.
Is the dog over here or no?
No. All right, so we got 1 hen left, and we need 2 roosters. One of the roosters gotta be the white one.
Here. Hey.
Fuck.
Here.
How many shots have you taken?
That might have been a rooster.
2?
That was more white.
I've taken 3.
No, they're a mutant.
Huh?
They're white.
Come on, here. Here. Hey. Come on, Trigger.
Yeah, for sure. I don't want to shoot towards them, you know. Okay.
Hold up.
What?
Birdie right now. I'm getting birdie over here.
Are they down this field too, Eli?